guys doing? I hope that you had a beautiful, prosperous day today. You know what I like to do over here? I like to do hauls, lookbooks, cook, clean, give you a good word of encouragement. Over here, honey, I just like. If that is something that you would like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get into this video. All right, so today I got an H&M haul for you. I picked up a couple of pieces to add to the wardrobe that I already have. The fashion really has not changed. Some of the looks or some of the trendy pieces really haven't changed. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of like add to the pieces that I already have. All right, you guys, so here's the first look. I mean, not really the look, I'm showing you the pants. I did not get this shirt from H&M. All right, so here's the pants, you guys. They are gray colored, all right, with white. It's like a thin stripe, white going through the pants. The pants are actually stretchy. There's actually a stretchy pair of pants. I love how it has this thick top piece at the top. It has no belt loops, okay? These right here are size 16. They have a very cute pockets, which we love. It is a little wide at the bottom, a little wide neck at the bottom, okay? So here it is from the back. I don't think there's pockets in the back, but here it is from the back, and here it is from the front. They're so cute. I got these to wear to work, and if I'm going out on the weekend, because these, if I'm going out like to a brunch or something, because you can actually dress these up, you can actually dress this down. I can envision these. I can do anything. I can do boots with these. I can do a really cute flat. I can do a pair of sneakers with this, depending on, you know, the top that I'm wearing. But yes, it's so comfortable. It's a relaxed fit. It's very cute. Like I said, it's multi-purpose to this because you can do several looks. But yeah, this is the look, and this is a 16, honey. So get into it. It fits perfect. It absolutely fits perfect. All right, let's see what else I got. All right, you guys, so I got this pullover. Well, actually, it's a button up and down olive green shirt. Do we love, can we just get into this color, honey? And green is definitely one of the colors for the fall. So, yes, I like this. It's kind of like I guess a nylon or silky-like material. It has the pointy collars. It buttons up and down. The sleeve also buttons. It has the long cuffs to it as well. It's very cute. Okay, the shirt. What size did I get the shirt in? I believe I got the shirt in the size 3X. Because I usually wear a 2, but I knew to go up. Anytime I see where the sleeves look kind of like no stretch, like this shirt has a little stretch to it. That's what saved me. So I went up to a 3X because my arms are large, and when it comes to like the button up and down shirts, I usually go up a size because I know like if I want my arms to fit. Okay, so here it is. It's olive green. It's so cute. I love the cuffs. I absolutely love the long cuffs on the shirt. And here it is from the back. This is the shirt from the back. Okay, and you could do, you know, you could tuck the shirt in if you want. You know, some people, they tuck in one side, they leave one side down. So, you know, whichever way you want to do the shirt, okay? I absolutely could wear this green shirt right here with these gray pants. I definitely could do the green shirt with the gray pants, you know, for sure. So yeah, so you can fix it the way you want. Some people tie up the shirt in the front. It's like I said, some people do it like this. Some people may wear it all the way out. If you want to put on a blazer with this, you can. You can put a blazer on over top of this. You can put, with this look right here, you can you can wear it with a pair of sneakers. Yeah, you could definitely do a pair of sneakers with this, put a blazer on over top, and it could definitely be a look, right? You can do a pair of flats with this. I mean, you could really be creative with this look. You definitely can be creative. All right, you guys, so I got another shirt. This one is it's like an off-white. Now I gotta make a correction, you guys. The shirts are 2X. I thought I got a 3X, but no, they are 2X, okay? So just wanna make sure I give you guys the right information if you're using me as a guide to what size to get. Okay, so yes, this is the same shirt as the green, except for this is an off-white. It's an off-white shirt, okay? Except it's off-white, but just playing with it, but this is it's cute. I love these shirts. I really feel like maybe I'll just go back and get some more of these because these are really cute. They have a nice stretch. Like I was telling y'all before, they do have a stretch to them. They do have a stretch, okay? Here it is from the back. Shirt from the back. Again, you can wear it the way you want. Like I did the other one, you can put one side in, leave one side down if you want. You can definitely go for that look. Or you just can leave it out, period. And like I said, you can wear it just like this, or you can absolutely put a blazer over top of this. That's for sure. Some people will tie it up. Me personally would not tie these up because they're nice. They're like a silky-ish look. They're dressy looking, and I wouldn't personally tie this up, okay? I'm probably gonna put like one side in, leave one side hanging down, or put it in, or whatever the case may be, or leave it out and either do a sweater over top or or I'll do like a blazer or something like that. Yeah. And like I said, I would dress these up. I could do kitten heels with this. I could do ballerina slippers. I can do a funky looking boot, like whatever. I can jazz. You can pretty much jazz this whichever you want. If you want to be casual, dressed up, semi-dressed up, you know, for the office. So this is very cute. All right, let me show you what else I got. All right, you guys, absolutely love this look. Love this look. The only thing is that the pants are a little short. But that's okay because I can make it my own. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, because there's a style where the pants are, you know, kind of like anklets or come to the ankle. You know what I'm saying? So I can kind of embrace it and make it my own, you know? So, okay, so these are the pants that I got. These are also a size 16. So they fasten, like kind of like, you know, that clip look. They zip up. They have nice pockets, a couple of pleats, and here's the back, sewed pockets. Okay, that's the back. Look at it, girl got a cake. All right, and then here's the shirt. The shirt has 2 slits on the side. Love that for me. And I love how the bottom of this shirt is made, where the stripes stop, and then you have the all white, and then it's black. So, you know, this is typically a H&M style. You know that they always play with these stripes shirts with this style. They play with it and kind of change it up, you know. But yeah, this is the look. It's really cute. Yeah, like you could do again a pair of boots. I probably would do a pair of boots with this look right here, okay? Some people would do flats, a nice pair, a pop color flats. You know, definitely a pop color. You know, you can do a pop color pink with this. You can do a white boot with this. I mean, you could do a pop green if you want with this. It's totally up to you. You know, a pair of ankle boots would be so cute with this. You know, a pop color ankle boots would be like really nice. Probably how I would rock it for sure. But yes, I love this for me. It's really cute. All right, the shirt is an XXL and the pants is a 16. All right, do the pants have a little stretch? Yes, the pants have a stretch. This shirt has a lot of stretch. All right, let's see what the next look is. All right, so yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna probably wear it like this. If I find me a nice blazer, I will be doing some things with the blazer, but I have an issue with blazers because my arms are like big and it's hard to get a nice blazer that once it fits the arm, it looks good on the body. So I'm thinking I'll probably have to get a larger blazer, and then just have it fixed, have it all, altered, so that it can fit right on me. I'm really feeling like, because me and blazers don't have a good history. Like, I get so upset because they just don't be looking right on me. But anyway, so here's this right here. Here it is from the back, okay? And yeah, so pretty much during the winter, I'm gonna wear some OPEC stockings with this because the dress is fairly short. So OPEC stockings, I'll probably do some ankle boots or just some boot, like, yeah. Oh guys, the color is like a blue. It's like a light blue with dark blue and white. So that's the color. They had these in different colors. They had peaches. I love this blue. But let me give you a spin one more time. Yep, give you a spin. Here we go. Yes. Cute. Yeah, I gotta tell you guys, I am not ready for summer to be over. I feel like summer went by so fast. It's like, where did it go? Where did it go? So I'm not ready, but hey, I gotta get ready. All right, so what's in my Ipsy bag? Those of you who know me, you know that I have a subscription with Ipsy. All right. Okay, so here's the bag. This month it's purple and it has the word glam. Glam. These bags are really cute. Like, I could use these bags as Christmas gifts, put, some of the samples that I got and buy more samples and put in them, but they're like really cute, right? Okay, so what did I get in this Ipsy bag? They didn't even give me a card. They usually send like a little card so that I can explain. Okay, they did. My bad, they did. Okay. I almost threw something away. All right. Okay. What did I get? All right, so the first thing I got is a Slim Glam Retro eyeshadow brush. Okay, eyeshadow brush. Now, it's cute. You can never have enough brushes, for sure. So I love when they send me different little brushes. So this is the Slim Glam Retro eyeshadow brush. All right. It says, like magic wand, this eyeshadow brush is effortlessly picks up, buffs on, and blends out the shadow. All right. So, yep, that's a plus for me. Another brush. What else did they send? Okay, so this right here is this right here, let's see, is the Manna Kadar Cosmetic Flawless Finish Dual Powder. So this is a dual powder in C4, okay? So it's a finish dual powder. All right, a nice little sample. All right, so yeah. Some of these samples I use, some of them I don't, because sometimes some of them are not the right color, but it's nice to get the samples because I can share them with my daughters. I have 2 daughters and all 3 of us are different shades. So what don't work for me may work for them, so yeah. And then we talk about the product and, I've gotten some very nice products. Okay, now this right here, this is the Clay London Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder in Cocoa Island. So this is a bronzing powder in Cocoa Island. This pretty much sounds like a color that I could use, cocoa, right? So I'm assuming that this is probably, this is the powder, yep. And yeah, it does look like, it blends in with my skin. So yeah, so this right here, so if you're my complexion, this might be something. All right, so it is the Clate, C-L or Kate, C-I-A-T-E, London Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder in Cocoa. And I rubbed a little bit on my skin, it blends very nicely. All right. What else did I get in here? Okay, and this right here is the Rodial Blush Drops in Sunset Kiss. Ooh, I love that for me. Okay. Okay, blush drops. It's the first time I will be using blush that comes like liquidy. All right, you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a. Ooh, that's cute. It's like a golden bronze color. That's what it looks like, you guys. It looks like a golden bronze. When you rub it out, it has a nice shimmer to it. It has a very cute little shimmer to it, a wet shimmer look. So that's what it looks like. So what is this now? This is Redial Blush. Oh, so it's like a shimmer. I don't know, guys. I have to use it and let you guys see. I tell you one thing, if I don't like it as a blush, I tell you one thing, I would definitely wear this on my lips for sure because I love the shimmer, I love the shine. Okay, all right, what else? Did I get anything else in my bag? Yep, I got one more thing. And what is this? This is the Stone Street Soap House Wholesale Body Souffle. Body Souffle. That's what this is. Stone Street Soap House. Hey ho, wholesome body souffle. The best-selling body souffle nourishes dry, flaky skin with a blend of argan, jojoba, and almond. Oh, let's see how it smells. Okay. Oh, okay. Very perfumey. Very perfumey. That's what it smells like. Okay, that's nice. This is definitely something to put in the bag. This is definitely something to put in my bag when I'm going to work. Okay? And that's it. That's it of the Ipsy bag. All right? So, you guys, we've come to the end of this video. Yes, we have. And you know what, guys? Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to do that. Do not forget to leave me a comment because I love to read you guys' comment in the bottom, okay? All right, so, hey guys, until we see each other again, don't forget that you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah.